let me demonstrate a tool every single fisherman has, which you cannot buy, and it's the best tool for cleaning the scales off a fish. I highly recommend this because buying frozen fish has half its nutrients lost, and eating fish that you pretty much bought fresh from a fisherman is an amazing thing for your diet, especially if you want to avoid red meats and get into really healthy living. Now, this one is really simple to make. You can make it yourself, and I'll demonstrate how smoothly it goes through scales almost like butter. Now, all you need is, I just took a cutting board, cut it, it was like a square like this. I just made 2 cuts and put 2 bottle caps, screw them in, and that's pretty much it. Now, I did just make it a little bit more smooth for my hand, and when you get all wet from cleaning fish and dirty, this will not be slipping in your hand and works like a charm. For those of you who want me to see a demonstration, right now, let's have a look. So I have a smaller fish and a bigger fish. Both of these have really difficult scales to remove. Get all the way in, all the way in, all the way in. Let me see. So both of these have really difficult scales to remove, but when you take this tool, it just goes to them like butter. And you can get in on all the sides right here really nicely, and on the belly and everything. So this one, let me just show you on the bigger fish. This one has incredibly huge scales. This is a 10-pound fish. It's a 5-kilo one. I can barely lift it. So this one's usually very difficult to clean, but because it's a small number of caps, it's only 2. I don't recommend more than 2. You can easily clean small and big fish and getting on any small places. So you have to do it a little bit stronger. This one's takes a bit to get started, and then just keep going. Now this one's gonna be a bit of work. That's a really nice fat fish, but trust me, you won't use anything this simple that you buy from a store, and you won't have anything with a nice wooden handle unless you make it yourself. Just literally buy a cutting board. It already has a handle, and make one cut, another cut. That's all you need, because a cutting board looks like this, right? You screw in 2 caps and you got your gun for cleaning fish. Now, professionals have 2 spitting pieces of metal and clean both sides at the same time, but that's a $5,000 tool. You're not gonna clean 100 to 200 pounds of fish a day. For anything less than 20 pounds of fish a day, this is gonna make your life so much easier and so much tastier, because when you eat fish that's fresh, you will taste the difference. You don't wanna buy frozen fish. It's not how it's meant to be eaten. Thank you guys for watching.